Today I'm replacing this BG dual RCB board. It's still got like 9 years left on it as well. 7. And we're going to replace it with that Navitas Beast, because we've got a major accumulation of earth leakage on this RCB and it trips off at 17 milliamp. We've got a car charger on its socket, central heating, outside light. There's also kitchen goods on that, washers, dryers, dishwashers. Yeah, 17 milliamp before it trips off. I did offer to put a new RCD on, but they opted for a full RCBO board, which makes sense in a new build house. Gym 1, yeah, I'll follow that. Proper grommet. Best grommet strip you're getting, and the best board you're getting. Navitas, formerly Verso. Talk to me. To me, that's not the best grommet strip in the game. Oh, me back. Yeah, so what we've done, we've got shut of this dual RCD board on this 2022 build, by the way. That was ramp testing at 17 milliamp and that was ramp testing at 19 milliamp. What's that, 35 milliamp across 11 circuits? No good, that. Anyway, we were getting nuisance tripping on this, and there's all kinds on it: EV charger, dishwasher, kitchen sockets, downstairs sockets, boiler, 2 lighting circuits, and it was randomly tripping off. So we just put this bad boy in from Navitas, or Navatas, however you say it, formerly Verso. So now we've got 30 milliamp across each circuit. We've got a type 2 surge protector, and that's the overcurrent protective device for that surge. Yeah, all sealed up. That was ZE, yeah. And we've got a PME earthing arrangement, so we're looking for under 0.35. Nice. We've got 840 grams of hot gold. We'll retest that. This is called a ZBB. No real perspective, short circuit current. Not alcohol, just using that ease, just line neutral. So the short circuit current should be the same to PME, yeah, 0.29. 802 amps. Satisfactory.